Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
Black Shark team welcomes you back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to easily and quickly join the second season of the 5th era of the Grass project. If you missed the previous eras, don't worry. You still have a chance to try it now. In the first season, I received over 4,000 coins when the Grass price started at 0.7 US per coin, and today the price is 1.8 US. This shows the project has potential, but remember that your results may vary. So, if you want to claim your share in this airdrop, stay with me. I'd like to highlight that all the steps I'm showing are performed on my server hosted by OVH. I'll leave the link in the description. The server allows me to participate in multiple airdrops such as Grass, NodePay, and Bless. I'll explain how to order a server and set everything up in the next video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. This is an interesting project, so don't miss the opportunity. To join the second season, copy my referral link. It will be in the description below the video. Paste the link into a new browser window. Now, let's create an account. Enter your email address. Set a username. If your desired username is already taken, come up with a different one. Create a strong password. Here are the main requirements. Your password must include both uppercase and lowercase letters. It should contain at least one special character and one number. Enter the referral code. It will automatically be filled in from my link. After that, confirm you are not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions, and click register. After registration, check your email. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Click Return to Dashboard. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username and password, then click Access My Account. After logging in, you will be prompted to link your Solana wallet to your account. I will cover this step in the next video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Go to the Store section. As you can see, there are several extension options available, including browser extensions and a desktop app. I recommend installing the desktop app. Click Download to start the installation, because it can help accumulate more points. Versions are available for macOS, Linux, and Windows. I'm choosing Linux, but you should select the version for your operating system. After downloading, install the program and launch it. Log in and click Access My Account. Once logged in, you can enable Auto Start and Auto Update options. Return to the dashboard. If you see connected, it means you've done everything correctly and the point farming has started. Congratulations! You have installed Grass and started participating in the second season. But remember, success depends on your activity, and there are no guaranteed results. Leave comments under the video, subscribe to the channel, and give it a like.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.